Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use credit on Just Eat. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So making payments using your Just Eat pay buttons is actually pretty easy. So all you need to do first is you need to access their website and simply log in to your Just Eat account. Now using the email address associated with your Just Eat pay allowance. Now from there, you can opt for either collection or delivery. Now browse through the available items and proceed to the checkout stage. Now your payment allowance will automatically be applied to cover the cost of your order. Now in the event that your allowance doesn't cover the entire order amount, then you'll be asked or prompted to select an alternative payment method to cover the remaining balance. Now using your pay balance here or your credit is actually pretty easy. Just follow the steps and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.